This video is for grouping objects, both solid and objects with holes. So let me go over the grouping option. Let me grab a couple things to group. We'll start with a cube and a sphere. All right, so let's say I want these two to be permanently connected. So the first thing I'm going to do, like I have a vision in my head here, so let me make this vision happen. I'm going to make this sphere a little bigger. I'm holding shift while I make it taller, so it makes it taller proportionally. So I want to put these two guys together. I'm actually going to use the align tool to make it a little faster, which is a whole nother video. If you want to learn how to align things, you can watch me do it here or watch the align video. I'm going to hold, this one's already chosen. I'm going to hold shift and also click on this. You can see it says shapes 2. And I'm going to click this guy here, which is align. I want them centered left to right and also up and down. So now I get this cool looking cube with a sphere exactly centered. It's not exactly centered. I didn't do back to front. So let me choose them both again. I'm going to hold shift on the cube and shift on the sphere. It says shapes 2. And I need to align this way as well. So now it's perfectly aligned inside there. So there they are. They're grouped together. And well, they're not grouped together. They are together, but if I were to move this, it doesn't go with it. I mean, they don't go together. They don't move together. So what I'm going to do is choose them both. And I'm going to click the group button here. All right. It's group or control G. When I click it, they are both now grouped and they move together. Now, when you first group something in Tinkercad, the original colors you have chosen will default to one color. In order to fix that, click back on your object, go to the solid here, right? And then just click multicolor. And it will change it back to the original color. So now this is one unit. It moves together, and that is what I was looking for. Now you can also choose this. You can also make this so that it is a hold object. The sphere in the middle becomes a giant sphere-shaped hole. So I'm going to backtrack what I did a little so it's not grouped anymore. And I'm going to choose the sphere in the middle, and I'm going to change it to hole instead. All right, so there we go. It's a hole in there. And just like before, I'm going to choose it all. You can either put a box around all of it with the left click, or you can hold shift and choose the objects you want to group together. I'm going to group them together. Once I've done that, the sphere disappears, and I have a cube with a sphere-shaped hole in it. All right, so that is grouping. All right, that is how you group stuff together. If you are looking to get rid of a part of an object, using the hole function is how you do it. If you're looking to put a hole in something, obviously you'll shape the hole the way you want it to be shaped, stick it where you want to put it in the other object, and then group them together. All right, Tinkercad builds really with addition by subtraction, which means if you want to add something to your original object, sometimes you need to take parts of it away.